Alright, we're going to look at Capítulo 4, so Chapter 4, Conversation and Vocabulary. You should go over this every day while we're out on AMI, just to help you get ready for the test and so you know the conversation and vocabulary. So it starts on 113, page 113. So if you can go ahead and look at that with me. A ti, ¿qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? Me gusta pintar. I like to paint. A Manuel le gusta estudiar. Does Manuel like to study? No, no le gusta estudiar, pero le gusta hablar por teléfono. So, no, he doesn't like to study, but he likes to talk on the phone. ¿A quién le gusta bailar y cantar? Who likes to dance and sing? A mí me gusta bailar y cantar, por eso me gustan las fiestas. I like to dance and sing. That's why I like parties. So go ahead and turn the page. On this conversation box, we see ¿Qué haces después de clases? What do you do after school? Descanso, después juego al fútbol. I rest. Later, afterwards, I play soccer. ¿Tocas el piano? Do you play the piano? No, pero toco la guitarra. No, but I play the guitar. ¿Vayan ustedes antes de regresar a casa? Do you dance before returning home? Sí, nosotros vayamos con un grupo de baile y también jugamos al tenis. So yes, we dance with a dance troupe. We also play tennis. ¿Practican deportes Luis y Carmen en el tiempo libre? Do Luis and Carmen practice sports during free time? No, ellos no practican deportes. Juegan a los videojuegos. So no, they don't practice sports. They play video games. Okay. Go ahead. Sorry, my cord keeps catching on the page. Go ahead and look at the next one. This is on 118. ¿Dónde estás? Estoy en el centro. Necesito encontrar a Maria Inés. So where are you? I am downtown. I need to find Maria Inés. ¿No está en la escuela de baile? Isn't she at the dance school? No, no está aquí. Está en el trabajo. So no, she's not here. She's at work. Go ahead and turn a couple more pages to the next one. It's on 123. ¿A dónde vas? Where are you going? Voy a la biblioteca para estudiar. I'm going to the library in order to study. ¿A dónde va Maria Inés? Where is Maria Inés going? Maria Inés va al correo, luego va al cine para ver una película. So she's going to the post office. Later, she's going to the movie theater in order to see a movie. And then go all the way to the end of the chapter to el vocabulario. We're going to use nadar for our infinitive. A mí me gusta nadar. I like to swim. Remember, that's with the emphasis there. ¿A quién le gusta nadar? Who likes to swim? ¿A ti qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? Remember, the a ti is emphatic again. Bailar, to dance. Cantar, to sing. Quidar a tu hermano, or quidar a tu hermana, so to take care of your brother or sister. Descansar en el parque, to rest in the park. Dibujar, to draw. Escuchar música, to listen to music. Estudiar, to study. Hablar por teléfono, to talk on the phone. Lavar el carro, to wash the car. Lavar la ropa, to wash the clothes. Mirar la televisión, to watch TV. Nadar, to swim. Pintar, to paint. La piscina, swimming pool. Por eso, that's why. ¿Quién? Who? Sacar la basura, to take out the trash. Remember I said take out the trash in sacks and bags. Al, to the. Antes de, before. Caminar con el perro, to walk the dog. La cena, dinner. Remember having dinner with John Cena. Con, with, conmigo, with me. Contigo, with you. Después de, after. En el tiempo libre, during free time. La guitarra, guitar. El helado, ice cream. Jugar a, this has got in parentheses the UE. It's a stem changing verb, which we'll talk about later in this chapter. Montar en bicicleta, to ride a bicycle. Pasar el rato con amigos, to spend time with friends. El piano, piano. Practicar, to practice. Preparar, to prepare. Que, that, which, who. ¿Qué haces después de clases? What do you do after school? El refresco, soft drink. Regresar, to return. El restaurante, restaurant. Tocar, to play. And that's, remember, to play an instrument. Tomar, to drink or to take. Trabajar, to work. Okay? Al lado de, next to. Allá, there. Remember the karate chop. Allá. Aquí, here. Remember, I'm handing you a key. La biblioteca, library. La casa, house or home. El centro, downtown. Cerca de, near. El cine, movie theater. El correo, post office. Debajo de, under or beneath. Donde, where. Encima de, on top of. Estar, to be. El gimnasio, gym. Lejos de, far from. Remember, keep those Legos far from me. Nosotros, nosotras, we. El parque, park. El paseo, walk, stroll, usually for social purpose. El supermercado, supermarket. La tienda, store. El trabajo, work or job. Usted, you formal. Ustedes, you plural formal. Vosotros, vosotras, you plural informal.